What does drinking alcohol do to the GI? What damages will alcohol do to GI mucosa? This is the picture of the GI after drinking 125 grams of white spirit. The GI mucosa looks like this when you feel uncomfortable after drinking. Usually, the gastric mucosa membrane can self-repair quickly. Within 3 days, it can restore to its normal state. But with the help of GI capsule, you don't have to suffer from this discomfort. After taking the capsule, the content of it can cover the mucosal membrane to avoid damages. See? The yellow content is covering the mucosal surface. So, when we suffer from motion sickness, we feel nausea, which means that our gastric mucosa has been damaged by gastric acid. At this time, it has been too late to swallow the capsule because it cannot be digested immediately, so you'd better chew the capsule. In this way, the capsule can immediately relieve the symptoms of motion sickness and protect your mucosal membrane. The result is very fast and obvious, so do remember to take capsules before drinking alcohol. China-Japan Friendship Hospital has conducted a study on 30 subjects drinking 125 grams of white spirit. The GI mucosa was protected in the ones who had taken a capsule before drinking, while gastrointestinal mucosa is the subjects who have not taken capsules appeared to be acutely eroded, damaged, and even bleeding.